In this video, I'm going to talk about how literally a job seeker can be thrown out of the job interview. This happened not long ago. I, along with one of my entrepreneur client, we were conducting interview for sales executives, and we had given ad for walk-in interviews, and we had great response. About 200 candidates came for that particular job interview. So there was this one character. He also came for the interview. We didn't know what happened at the reception, but here I'm assuming this must have happened. Like this character, he walks into the office and he goes to the receptionist and tells that, I heard that you are conducting walk-in interviews. She must have replied, yes. Then he must have told that, I also want to attend this interview. Then she must have told that, please hand over your resume, I'll give it inside. Then he must have told, no, I don't have any resume. So she must have told her, okay, write something and give me so that I can give it inside. Now she didn't want to reject that person on her own. She wanted to at least give him a chance to attend the interview. And this guy, he didn't even have any paper or pen. So he asked her, give me on paper and pen. So she must have given some tone paper, half tone paper, some rough paper to him, and he must have taken out pen, asked for pen, and then he scribbled his name, phone number, and some little tidbits here and there. And then that resume was sent inside along with the other lot of resumes. So when that person's turn came, when that we saw that piece of paper, we were really shocked. Like, what nonsense is this? So we called that guy inside, and the boss, the owner of the company, was also sitting there conducting the interview, and he blasted on that candidate. He showed the paper and asked him, what is this nonsense? Is this a joke? You've come for job interview? He had no answer. He told that he just was coming here, he heard it and he just wanted to attend the interview. Then we asked him, like, why didn't you get your resume? No, I didn't get time to come with resume. And then, well, then how did you write this? Then he started blaming the receptionist. She only told that you have to submit resume, and then that's why she gave me a paper, and then I wrote something on my small resume and gave it to you. The boss really got pissed off. He told him to get out and told him never to attend any interview with this kind of attitude. And the candidate left. You see, that is the problem. It's not that there is that much unemployment. Most of the time, the reason why candidates don't get a job is because they don't have the attitude to get a job. They think that they should be able to walk into any company and present themselves and they should get the job. It's not like that. Getting a job is also a process. You cannot play with that process. So this is a big lesson for not only for freshers, but also for second, third, fourth job seekers. And here I'm talking about people who want to get into a little like executive type of posts, sales executive or accounts executive or that kind of post. So you have to take your job seriously. You cannot simply just walk into a company and tell you have come for the interview like that only. You should have something to show, to present. That is the basic way of attending a job interview. So this is a great lesson. Never go to a job interview even though it's a walk-in. Always have your resume, hard copy of resume with you. It should be in a proper, neatly printed out. That's the basic thing, basic requirement of a job interview. You should not have it folded and kept it in your pocket. So when they ask you for your resume, you take it out and you fold it, unfold it, and then you give it to. No, have it in proper file. This one reason will get you rejected from that job interview. You will struggle to get a job and then you will start blaming others, maybe the government, the company, the society, which is of no use. If things don't go right with you, instead of looking outside, we have to look inside. What did I not do because of which I did not get this job? That is the attitude that you should have. If you can self analyze yourself and then make yourself better and reapply for a job, chances are you will surely get a job. The only thing is, how serious are you to get this job?